The new Dri-Ease 4 Pro dehumidifier filter is specifically designed for professional use in the restoration, remediation, and construction environments. Every Dri-Ease dehumidifier will soon ship with this new filter. Let's take a look at what makes the 4 Pro dehumidifier filter so special. For starters, it's one filter that protects in 4 ways. A layer of electrostatically charged polypropylene attracts smaller particles into the filter media to keep air flowing and reduce surface loading. Next, a layer of expandable cellulose mesh efficiently captures larger particles to reduce buildup on the internal dehumidifier parts. Thirdly, an activated carbon layer absorbs odors and fumes. Finally, the 4 Pro's antimicrobial treatment helps prevent bacterial growth on the filter. All of these great features are designed and tested to optimize performance of Dri-Ease dehumidifiers. They work together, something an over-the-counter filter isn't designed to do. The 4 Pro filter is a convenient, no-wash filter. Just throw it away after use. We recommend replacing filters after every job to reduce the risk of cross-contamination. At a minimum, replace filters when soil is visible. The 4 Pro's strong aluminum frame is sturdy and far more durable than other filters and resists moisture damage that can warp or weaken cardboard filters. When the filter comes in a Dri-Ease Dehu, it will be unwrapped and ready to go. When you purchase them by the case or in a 3-pack, each filter will be individually wrapped, so be sure to completely unwrap it prior to use. The new 4 Pro dehumidifier filter. Put the best in the best and protect your Dehu investment. For more information, visit legendbrandsrestoration.com.